If your push-ups suck, don't worry. That's totally normal when you're just starting out. Look, if you're stuck doing 5 shaky push-ups and you're tired of feeling weak, there's a simple fix. Most people think they need some fancy program or a gym membership, but you don't. You just need to build the right habit for stronger push-ups. In this video, I'll break down how to go from 0 to 20 push-ups faster than you ever thought. You'll learn the biggest mistakes to avoid, what you need to start doing today, and one simple method to force your body to get stronger without overthinking. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that took me from wormy push-ups to clean, powerful reps. Okay, let's get straight to it. First, let's talk about why so many people struggle with push-ups in the first place. Push-ups look simple, but so many people fail because they don't train smart. So before showing you how to increase your push-up numbers, it's important to fix your form first. Push-ups train your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your back. If the form is bad, those muscles won't grow. And if you never push them to adapt, you'll stay stuck. So let's fix that. Before adding any fancy techniques, focus on the basics. Good push-up form will make you stronger. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle, not flared out. Squeeze your glutes and tighten your core. Keep your body straight like a plank. Lower down slowly until the chest is close to the floor. Push back up with power. Here's a simple tip. Instead of starting from the top, try starting at the bottom position. When the body is already aligned with the floor, it's easier to maintain proper form while pushing up. And if that still feels too hard, switch to knee push-ups. This will reduce the load on the upper body while keeping the movement pattern the same. Alright, once your form is solid, it's time to level up with a simple habit that will completely change how fast you build push-up strength. Most people only train push-ups during their workout, but you'll get stronger way faster if you tie push-ups to habits throughout your day. Here's how it works. Every time you enter your room, do max push-ups. Every time you finish studying or work, max push-ups. Before leaving the house, max push-ups. Before bed, max push-ups. Even if you only do 3 reps, they add up. You might hit 20 to 50 push-ups daily without even noticing. That's massive volume for your body to adapt and get stronger, fast. Building daily push-up habits is one of the best ways to get stronger without even thinking about it. But if you really want to challenge your muscles and push past your limits, there's another powerful method you can use. This one is savage, but it works. It's called drop sets, and it's seriously effective. A drop set means starting with the hardest push-up variation you can do, then dropping to easier ones without resting. It's the easiest way to train to failure and overload your muscles. Here's a simple push-up drop set. Start with decline push-ups, go until failure. Switch to standard push-ups, go until failure. Then incline push-ups, until failure. Finally knee push-ups, until failure. Repeat that for 3 or 4 rounds. Do it about 3 times a week, and you'll build crazy endurance and strength. Drop sets will challenge your muscles like never before. But to really keep progressing, you also have to fix the weak links that hold you back. Push-ups will break down fast if your core or shoulders are weak, so let's fix that. If the shoulders cave in, try face pulls or band pull-aparts. If the core sags, add planks for 30 to 60 seconds every day. If the wrists hurt, warm them up with wrist circles, or do push-ups on handles. Keep these areas strong so you don't get stuck again. Keeping these weak areas strong will help you stay injury-free and maintain perfect push-up form. But if you're still feeling stuck around 10 or 15 reps, there's one more bonus trick that can push you past that plateau. Here it is. Put 5 kilos in a backpack. Do slow negatives for about 5 seconds on the way down. Use your knees to reset back to the top. Repeat for 5 to 8 reps. This will build monster control and power faster than anything else. You don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment to build a strong upper body. All you really need is the floor, your own body, and the routine you just learned. Stick with this plan for 4 weeks, and you'll see a huge improvement in your push-ups. Let me know in the comments how many push-ups you can do right now, and then come back to share your progress. If this video helped you out, hit that like button so more people can see it, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on. That way you'll never miss simple, no-equipment workouts that actually get results.